How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make background black in OSU. So the first thing that you want to do is to just hit on setting. In here, you then want to type background. And then basically we just have to make sure that the background dim is all the way up. So basically this will just dim the entire background. In here, you could also click on the skin for the background source. And that's going to be it. If we navigate through our level, so let's go ahead and play this specific level right here. Wait for it to finish. And then right after, it will then dim the background, as you can go ahead and see. And if you also want to go ahead and apply this manually on levels, you could just once again head over to the level right here. And there's going to be the side panel, which is going to be this one. Just make sure that the background blur is selected all the way to 100th. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.